You want some? I bet you do. Wish you were here. Oh my God! Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight we're gonna take that special dough we made this week. We're gonna take that special sauce and we're gonna make Mamma Gallo's perfect pizza. Let's get started. I've already got the dough out. I've floured the surface. And now what I'm gonna do is show you how to prepare that pizza. You're gonna slowly, from the center, work your way out. Okay, turn it with the other side. Don't be afraid to add a little flour to the table, which I'm gonna do right now to the granite. Now, usually you see me working on a wooden board. When it comes to making the pizza itself, you wanna work on a good stone surface, marble or granite. That'll do it. All the pizzaiolas in Italy do it on marble and granite. So you can see it's now starting to take its shape. You're going to use our hands just turning it as we go along. Some more flour over there. Now in Italy they make personal pies. So this is going to be a small personal pie. This is called the flip and slap technique. Flip and pound, everybody calls it something different, but you're actually stretching the dough by doing this, and as you turn it, it stays round, you see? Just like that. Okay, that's about the size that I want it to be. Don't worry if it's not perfectly round. That's not what's important here. Put the ladle of the sauce in the center and then work outward from the center, okay? Don't put too much sauce. Just work it around. Just like that. It smells so good right now. You can smell the basil in the sauce. It's fantastic. Take our Parmigiano Reggiano and just sprinkle it on. Now, since we're working in a home oven, we can only get this oven up to about 450 to 500 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the pizza first without the cheese and then put the cheese in towards the end. Have your peel ready. All right, we're going to use a little enriched cornmeal on our peel. We use the cornmeal because the pie will slide off a lot easier. So here we go. We're going to negotiate it onto the peel, just like that. And once you get it onto the peel, just give it back its shape a little bit. There you go. Look at that beautiful pizza. I'm going to put it in the oven. Now what I did was I raised the stone up higher in the oven, so that it'll be closer to the element. We'll give it a few minutes. Now we'll put on the mozzarella cheese. Some people put a lot of cheese, some people put less. I love cheese, so I'm that cheese guy. Back into the oven it goes. Now it should be about 5 to 7 minutes from here, not even that much. And in the meantime, we're making another one. I have to make some for my friends. Okay, looks like it's ready now. So we're gonna take it out. Put it onto the peel. Oh, look how beautiful that is. All right, that is a beautiful pizza. Now you'll notice that the edges do not brown because we're in a regular electric oven. Unfortunately, if it was in a real pizza oven, it would be different. Now we're gonna add just a drizzle of olive oil. See, the cheese started to brown beautifully, which I love my pizza very well done. Some basil leaves. And cut this beautiful pizza. Oh, it's nice and crunchy. You can hear it already. Oh, it smells so good. As I cut through the basil, I can smell the sauce and the cheese. Look at that beauty. It's time. It's that time to taste this with Frank Gallo. Mamma Gallo's beautiful homemade pizza. Look at how delicious this is, guys. You want some? I bet you do. Wish you were here. Here we go. Ready? Oh my God. Fantastic, delicious, unbelievable. Did you guys subscribe yet? What are you waiting for? Smash that like button. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep on bringing you all of these great meals, Mamma Gallo's fantastic recipes. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. But most important thing in this world, I love you, Mama. Cend'anni, salute.